Anna Paulina Luna is on the House Oversight Committee. So is this the smoking gun the Democrats are saying?
I absolutely believe that it is, Jesse. What I can tell you based on the evidence, and I think you know this, I've been championing this for a while. You know, what we're seeing coming out now, especially with those screenshots of those checks, it's very interesting. The more evidence we come out with, the more they want to change the terms. And frankly, Federal Code 18 U.S. 201 basically states that you cannot have public bribery of a U.S. official. And so I think that he's in big, big trouble.
So wait a second, Congresswoman, it's just a loan. Biden's a loan shark. He was lending his family money. He's charging them high interest rates. Come on, you don't believe them?
Absolutely not. And in fact, according to the FEC, as well as the disclosures that we have to do as public officials, they get into the nitty gritty of all of that stuff. And so if you have a large sum of money, you have to ensure that you have an alibi of where it's come from. And frankly, as we're seeing, it's very evident that his loans and his payments came from the Communist Chinese Party.
Okay. So your committee has only begun getting these family bank records, because this is like a decade of bank records. And these aren't bank records like you and I have, where we have a checking account, we have a savings account, things go in, things go out. This is like 20 LLCs and 11 different family members.
Correct. And if you recall, we had a Ukrainian official that came forward and basically had stated that they were bragging at the fact that it would take investigators years to find out about how they were basically transferring this money. And as you're finding, oversight has been working overtime, but we are bringing forward that evidence. And frankly, I do believe that in my time in Congress for the 118th Congress, I will be taking a vote on impeachment, and that's going to be against Joe Biden.
When do you think the time frame for that's going to be?
Well, I think Speaker Johnson is exactly equipped to lay that out, but I'm thinking it's probably going to be at the beginning of next year.
All right. Anna Paulina Luna, thank you very much. Now go back to vote.
Thank you.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.